Hello everybody. In the previous tutorial we learned how to make tick boxes. So in this tutorial we're going to make MCQ type of tick boxes. So in the previous tutorial our tick boxes were multiple type. That means every tick boxes were tickable. Now in these tick boxes we can see only one of them will be ticked. That means if we are going to tick this, then other options over here will be unchecked. So I'm going to read this out to you. Every question in this paper is followed by 4 probable answer choices. Choose the best answer from the option A, B, C and D. And this is most important over here. So we are going to follow this rule. Please tick only one answer. So if you have not watched the previous tutorial about how to create tick boxes, then you can check the tutorial. I have given the link above. Now we will be learning how to create singly tickable type of tick boxes. That means MCQ type of tick boxes. So let's jump right into it. First of all, let's select all these boxes. I can copy from here, and while pasting it I'll go to the paste special option, and here is to paste it as a picture. So I have a non-editable picture format. Later on I will be using this picture. So let's come back to our tutorial. Here are 5 different questions on civil engineering and their probable answers. So first let's delete all these options so that we can create a whole new project. I'm right clicking all the options over here. So all I have now is a blank space. So to create the tick boxes, we should first go to the developer option in the top panel over here. In the developer option, we have insert option. In the previous video, we have gone to the checkbox option. Now in this video, we shall be going to the radio button, or this is option button. So we are clicking this option button and we're pasting it, and plus sign appears and we're pasting it any way we like. So this is one option button for us. In the same way, we can copy it and paste it. We need 4 option button for a round. So I'm just copying it tentatively. We'll be aligning it manually later on. So in the same way, you can again go to the insert, and again you can go to the radio button, or this is option button, and you can paste it. So I'm going to repeat the similar process for all the 5 questions over here. Now you can see I have finished copying the buttons. So I have tentatively pasted the buttons to their respective positions. Now we will be aligning them manually. For aligning them, we need to select this whole button of this whole rows. So we will go to the format option here, and in the align we have align left, so that they are aligned in the same line. So again we are going to the align, and we are going to distribute them vertically so that they are evenly spaced. We're going to repeat the same process for remaining B, C and D column, and again we're choosing these buttons, and in the align option we're aligning them to the left and again distributing them vertically. Now you can see it looks nice and clean. Now just need to show you this thing. If I click anywhere else in the option, then only one gets selected, every other button gets unchecked. So we need this particular column to be in one group and other to be in another group. That means if you are going to select this button over here, then we can see that this button over here is unchecked. We do not want that. So how to create the whole different group for all these sections? For that, we're again going to the developer option, and in the developer option we have insert, and in the bottom of the form control we have group box. So we click this group box and a plus sign appears, and we just click here and the group appears. So I'm just deleting this. So again we are repeating this to a group, and just I'm dragging this to whole of this section like this. This is just an easy process. We're just dragging. We have a group box number 76 over here. We're repeating the same process for rest of the other options also. So like this, I'm dragging them. Now as you can see, I have finished creating the groups for all the options here. You can see I have created individual group name for all the options. Now what this group does is it creates a unique group character for this particular box. As you can see, now this box will show its own behavior and is not affected by the button of this box. So this is what we wanted. Now we can select anywhere we like, and rest of the buttons will not get affected. We can edit the text over here. We do not want this text to be displayed, because now you can see I have assigned a particular group for all the options and the text is also gone. Now it looks exactly like our format before. Now to edit the text, we had pasted a picture over here. So we're just going to the view option here, and in the view option I'm creating a new window. In the previous lecture I have already taught you about how to create two or multiple views side by side. So I have the link above, you can visit that, or we can go to the view and arrange all option, and I have vertical option over here, and while I click this vertical option I have two different windows views. Now I'm going to this option, and in the down right of this corner we have our required option. So I'm just going to edit the text. Now I have completed editing the text. As you can see, we have exactly same format as the picture here. We're just closing this window now, and now let's check to the right answer. So for the question number 1, our right answer is 2.5%. This is 1.7. sorry, this is not percent, this is just whole number, 1.7. This is activity, this is ammonia dynamite, and this is 90 minutes. As you can see, when we are checking in any boxes, then rest of the boxes of that column gets unchecked. So you can create your one MCQ type questions by following the rules as I mentioned here. So if you have any questions, you can comment them in the comment section below. So till then, wait for the next video, which I'll meet in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.